kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth's Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss the second part of our video about the skeletal system. We will discuss the joints, cartilages, ligaments, and tendons that form the skeletal system. Are you ready? We just learned about all the bones in the human body. But if these are so hard, how is it that the human body is so flexible and bendy? How do we move from one place to another? We can walk, we can run, we can jump from one place to another. We can also perform many movements while we are sitting still. You can bend your knees, twist your arms, nod your head, and do many other things. You can do a lot of movements thanks to your joints. Such variety of motion is made possible by things called joints. A joint is formed when two bones meet. Muscles are attached to the bones and the joints which allow movements. Different types of joints allow different types of movements. And these are the types of joints. Gliding joint, hinge joint, saddle joint, ball and socket joint, and pivot joint. Gliding joint, joints found at the wrists. The small bones of the wrist slide over each other. The joint that connects these bones to the lower arm is a gliding joint. Hinge joint. The elbows and knees are examples of hinge joints. They allow only bending and straightening movements. The upper arm and lower arm are also connected by hinge joints. Ball and socket joints. These joints enable bones to move freely in all directions. The shoulders and hips have ball and socket joints. The rounded end of the upper arm fits into the hollow socket at the end of the shoulder bones. Saddle joint. Joints found at the thumb. It can tilt in many directions. This is because it is connected to the hand through a saddle joint. The joint allows the back and forth motion as well as up and down movement, but does not allow rotational movement. Pivot joint. Joints found at neck and head. You can turn your head to the right and left without moving your body. This is because the bone in the head is connected to the neck by a pivot joint. This joint allows limited movement. Once again, these are the types of joints. Gliding joint, hinge joint, saddle joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint. Let's now talk about cartilage and ligament. Some bones have their ends coated with a smooth and slippery tissue. This fibrous tissue is called cartilage. It functions as shock absorber. It also acts as cushion between two bones and helps the joints move. There is also an oil-like fluid at the end of the bones called synovial fluid that lubricates the bones. This is the ligaments. Ligaments connect a bone to another bone. These are made of very thick and elastic material, making them tough. They can stretch when the bones move. The bones do not separate even they do a lot of movement because the ligaments hold them together. Let's talk about tendons. This is the tendon. Tendons connect a muscle to a bone. It is also made of tough material. An example of a tendon is the Achilles tendon in the foot. It connects the calf muscles to the heel bone. Don't forget, the skeletal system supports and gives the body its shape. It also protects the delicate vital organs and helps in movements. A joint is formed when two bones meet, and these are the types of joints: gliding joint, hinge joint, saddle joint, ball and socket joint, and pivot joint. To form the skeletal system, we also have cartilage and ligament. Cartilage is a soft tissue that covers the end of a bone. Ligament connects bone, while tendons connect muscles to bones. Watch out for our next video lesson about the injuries to the skeletal system as well as the diseases and disorders of the skeletal system. See you! Identify the correct type of joint for each movement. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These are your choices: gliding joint, hinge joint, saddle joint, pivot joint, ball and socket joint. The joint found at the elbow is hinge joint. The joint found at the head and neck is pivot joint. The joint found at the thumb is saddle joint. And this joint is gliding joint. The joints found in the hips as well as in the shoulder is ball and socket joint. Label the cartilage, ligament, and tendon in the picture. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. These are the choices: cartilage, ligaments, tendons. Let's check your answers. Cartilage, ligaments, tendons.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.